Okay, we're back with another walkthrough. This one is vacant,
Yes.
so we don't have to redact any any people's names and numbers and all that stuff. So enjoy this one.
Was your electrician with you?
Not today,
Mm.
but I'll um, I'll catch him on another day. Oh,
No
interesting.
power is on in here.
Okay.
And that's a deck out there.
The door needs to be redone. Oh, deck. Oh man, is it okay? Is it safe? Did you test
Yes.
it?
I walked on it.
Okay. Needs some planks, but
It needs to be.
it's actually pretty nice. I
Yeah.
mean,
It's under the shade and here in the afternoon.
right, right. Tall redwood. Oh man, wow. Okay, I can't do anything about those. Um, I can trim here and maybe. Oh man, that's scary, but it looks stable. That See, shade over the house is good for me, but not for business sake. It's a side yard. Okay, not bad. Oh, got to put that fence up.
Yeah.
But, looks like I got to put the whole fence up. All right, so let me take a walk over here to the back and so you can see. Oop. It's pretty soft right here. Be careful. Um, okay, sloped yard. It looks like at one point there was a deck that went around here. Yeah. Okay. I wonder if there's another outlet or they just cut it off. Interesting. Definitely gonna change this screen door.
Adam needs a new screen door.
Yeah. But they're gutters, which is great. That's great. Um, okay. All right. So this was where a living room was and the TV. Okay. Um, all right. So let's see here.
Master.
Master bedroom. Two closets, his and her closets. That's good. Cool.
Big bathroom.
Big bathroom. Looks windows look like 2000s. Updated in the 2000s. That's nice. Um, Flooring needs to be done. But it's a big bathroom for the master. Jacuzzi. I will hold some wood rot. I don't know where that comes from. Oh, maybe in the ceiling. Ceiling access. Okay. Toilet on this side? Yes, toilet on this side. Let me zoom out a little bit. That might make it easier to see things. Okay. Interesting. That's a nice bathroom. Okay, so now kitchen. This is the AC. This needs a vent. I just changed out the door. The door is actually not bad.
Just the grid in there, yeah.
Yeah, just the vent. Bless you.
Thank you.
Then, what year is this? This is. Let me see. What year? I don't know. All right, guys, you tell me if you see a year. Um, I'm not sure. 2019. Anyway, let me know if you see a year. Okay. Looks like we need paint throughout. And floorboards look okay. cabinet. We can change. Let's see if we just need to change the fascia. Look for water. Any water? Water. Not much. This is like one of those in between projects where it's like bad enough where you want to change everything, but it's not water damaged. Or, I mean, like I changed this, but the cabinets are not water damaged.
Yeah, look at these. They're not even damaged on the top. Like some people take a knife and chop on them.
Right.
They're not even damaged, the top.
It's just some age.
Yeah.
Interesting. Okay, washroom in the kitchen. But that's not bad.
Oh, I see a lot of them like that now.
Nice. Is there a lamp? Well, the light's not on, but okay. Washer and dryer washer hookup is over there. Dryer is on the right side here. And the water heater is tiny. What's up with these tiny water heaters?
Oh, is it a tiny one?
Yeah, it's a little itty bitty one. It's standard. Broom holder. Okay, cool. That's standard though. The house has been winterized since October. It's been on the market for a while, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, so they're willing to negotiate? What you know the
Listing people? Yeah, I know them.
Okay, in the city you're allowed to have what do you call those? Garbage disposal.
Up and down this street, you know that?
You hearing the engines?
Well, yeah, and I'm worried about my dog in my car and everything. It's like, wow, these people are just zooming down
Oh
here.
my goodness. Oh,
They did have one on. They had told me that the lights weren't on. That's what's okay.
Okay.
I didn't even check it because usually when they're like this, these type, they're not, everything's shut off.
Right.
I think it's on a monolithic slab, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yes.
Which is
Slab
wonderful.
isn't going anywhere.
That's not going anywhere. Like, okay. This is good. I'll let Nika come and see. One, 2, 3.
And 2 baths.
And 2 baths. Closet. And this is a decent size room, you know? It's not bad.
They're not going to charge any extra for that fan in there either. Did you see it?
Very cool. Custom. I didn't
What did you
imagine.
decide about Keith? Next.
Next, on to the next. Now this is good. Okay.
I figured that.
This is
When
a
I
big
pulled
closet.
up there, I thought, there's no reason this could be nice, 3 of them in a row, and, make some money. There was no reason for it to be in that kind of condition.
Right. Well, yeah, and like that makes me think. What do you think? Like that makes me think that like there's the last apartment must have been
Really a doozy that they wouldn't let it. But you know what?
controlling the who gets to see what and the condition of the place.
Yeah.
Right.
And it's just helter skelter. And not only that, they were filthy. I mean, what do you expect? If they're that messed up, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
You would expect. I mean, there's food on the stoves and in things. I mean, the bugs are going to come, and
Exactly.
yeah, you can't blame the landlord for not keeping up your part,
Exactly.
So it's like, wow. And then how are you going to get them out,
Right. Well, I'm not too much worried about standing on the fact that I own the place and everybody's got to go.
Yeah.
but that was, I could tell that there was some sort of a fight to
If it
prevent
was so bad, why
people.
don't they get out, you see?
Right.
Why don't they leave? You can find places for under $700-800.
Right. All right, so let me. We've been here before. Okay, so let me let Mika see. It's an interesting setup. Arrangement is different from what we've seen recently.
Yeah, I've seen, I've seen,
You see these a lot? Okay.
yeah,
That's a lockbox?
that's my lockbox.
Okay.
That's just my lockbox.
All right. We'll let the... She is the property acquisition specialist. So she finds them and then yeah, she lets me... I mean, she calls me like 3 feet away because we live together, but...
Oh.
Is this one I met the other day?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. This is Zeke's mom. Okay. All right, your turn. And for you, on the channel, we'll be back. And hope you've enjoyed that. Talk to you soon.